Hello, my name's Lizzie from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Peugeot 3008 1.2 PureTech GT Line Premium. Now this vehicle is a petrol with a manual transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with then, you have your full LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch Washington diamond cut alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the white exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Miele leather effect upholstery finished in black. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features the sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 34,999 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey that you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto supported via USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. And you also have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on Peugeot 3008 1.2 PureTech GT Line Premium that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.